When we were trying to write the equation for a sequence, we need to know two things. We need to know how the sequence changes and what the starting point would have been. Okay, these are the same two things that we need to know anytime we're writing out an equation. Okay, we always need to know what our slope is, or our m number. And we also need to know what our y-intercept is, which is our b number. So in a sequence like this, the slope is how the pattern is changing. Here you can see to get from 5 to 8, we add 3. To get from 8 to 11, we add 3. To get from 11 to 14, we add 3, and so on and so on. We just keep adding 3 forever. So that is our slope. Our slope is positive 3. The y-intercept, the starting point, well, this 5 is our first term. It's our second term, third term, fourth term, so on and so on. The y-intercept is always where our x is 0. All right, that's our starting point. So we need to know where or what number would be when x is 0, which means we'd have to go backwards in our pattern 1. So instead of adding 3 to find the next number, we can subtract 3 to reverse and figure out what number would go in front of the 5 or in front of the first term. In this situation, it's positive 2. So that's our b number. So if we were to write out our equation in y equals mx plus b, we would have y equals 3x plus 2. And now we could use this equation to find any term that we needed in the sequence.